To sum up, our memory can be influenced by our age, stress levels, sleep, diet, and even how much we exercise. And there are ways to improve it, right?
Exactly. And in the next part of our podcast, we'll dive into some specific strategies you can use to boost your memory and keep your brain healthy.
Now that we've learned some new words, let's discuss them a bit more. I've got a couple of questions for you, Gwen.
Habit, meaning something you do regularly, often without thinking about it. For example, brushing your teeth every morning is a good habit.
Great point. And here's another one. Why is it important to get enough sleep if you want to remember things better?
Game, meaning an activity that you do for fun or learning, often with rules. For example, playing memory games can help keep your mind sharp.
That makes a lot of sense. So, to everyone listening, what do you think? How does your diet or sleep affect your memory? Let us know in the comments.
Rest, meaning a period of relaxing or not doing anything active. For example, taking a rest can help you feel more focused later.
That sounds like a great way to organize thoughts. I might try that for my next big project.
Organize, meaning to arrange things in a neat and structured way. For example, if you organize your notes, it's easier to remember them.
So it's like building a habit. The more you review, the better you remember.
Focus, meaning to give your full attention to something. For example, when you focus on what you are learning, you remember it better.
That's good to know. I love making lists. It helps me stay on top of things. And what about staying social?
Yes, social interaction is important. Talking to friends, participating in group activities, or even just having a chat with someone can stimulate your brain and help improve memory.
Let's make sure to keep these tips in mind.
That's true, Hamza. Keeping a planner or making lists can also help you remember important tasks and events.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode of the Hamza Learning Podcast. Bye for now.